Welcome to this video on data manipulation and analysis techniques. We'll explore the essential tools and concepts for organizing and analyzing datasets effectively. In this presentation, we'll cover the following topics: understanding and defining data manipulation, learning the framework for grouping, calculating, and combining data, exploring frequency tables, contingency tables, and pivot tables, comparing and analyzing groups using descriptive statistics, and applying pandas methods to compute statistics and manipulate data. These points provide a comprehensive overview of how data manipulation techniques can enhance your analytical capabilities. Data manipulation is the process of organizing or subsetting datasets to explore research problems. It allows you to split data based on categorical features, compare values under specific conditions, and calculate descriptive statistics such as the mean or median. This is an essential step in exploring and uncovering insights from data. Grouping data involves separating a dataset into subsets based on a categorical feature. Once grouped, calculations like averages can be applied to each subset. For instance, you might calculate the average education years for countries grouped by continent to identify regional differences. There are several types of tables used to summarize data. A frequency table shows the sizes of groups for a categorical feature. Contingency tables are used to analyze two categorical features together. And pivot tables combine grouping and descriptive statistics, offering a versatile tool for data summarization. Pandas, a Python library, offers powerful methods for data manipulation. For example, _def, group by, allows you to split data into subsets, while _def, pivot_table, creates pivot tables with customizable rows, columns, and values. These methods, along with descriptive statistics like mean, and median, make pandas indispensable for data analysis. The pandas code example demonstrates how to group data by the drive feature and calculate the average number of liters. This approach highlights how pandas simplifies complex data manipulation tasks, enabling efficient analysis. To summarize, data manipulation helps uncover insights by organizing and analyzing datasets. Key techniques include grouping, calculating, and combining data. Pandas provides versatile tools like group by, and pivot_table, to perform these tasks, and tables such as frequency, contingency, and pivot tables offer effective ways to summarize data. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.